People are always like, Dave, my print quality sucks. What do I do? And I'm always like, dry your filament. And they're like, no, man, it's brand new. It should be fine. I just opened up the roll. It's SainSmart. It should be good, right? So, on the left, this is an old roll of filament that I've had for, I don't know, a couple weeks. And it's picked up quite a bit of moisture, but I'm almost to the end of that roll. This in the middle is a brand new roll of filament, straight out of the package from SainSmart, never been dried. And then this is the original roll over here on the left after drying for about 6 hours in the dryer. This roll was so wet, it's still in the dryer, needs to dry longer. But all I did was dry the filament, and look at the difference in the print quality. Old and wet, brand new and wet and dried. That's all you got to do is dry your filament.